Question 29, convert the decimal 0.42 recurring to a fraction. You must show your work or your work. تمام. Now we're going to work on this. هنشتغلوا على هذا وحدة وحدة. I know you have you took this before. فهنشتغلوا بالطريقة اللي خليناها في year 8 وبعدين we will see what happened. What did you take extra to that? Okay. أول حاجة 0.42 the recurring number is the what? Is the 2. الفور ما هيش recurring ما يتعودش الفور فاللي يتعود هو 2 this number تمام. It means what? It means the exact number is x equals 0.4222 like this تمام and it goes on. فهي هذه أول step ندير هنكتب x equals this number تمام. Let's make it smaller because I don't know if I have space. Thank you for that. Can see it. بعد اول حاجه نبي نديرها انا ما نقدرش نشتغل بالميثود الا بعد ما نخلي شنو الديسيمال بوينت هذه لاصقه في الريكورنج نمبر في نمبر قاعد بتوين ذم يعني ضروري نتخلص منه النمبر هذا الفور هذا تمام عشان نتخلص منه ضروري نضرب في شنو نضرب في 10 معناها ضروري البوينت هذه نحركها عنه تمام هذه اول ستيب معناها عشان حندير حنضرب في 10 فاهم هذه اول ستيب نديرها هنقول له نضرب في 10 هنا ركزوا معايا تمام نضرب في 10 هنا
What do you bring these twos?
because this point means the 2 is repeated.
Oh, okay.
فاهم
Mister, can we just like multiply by 100 right away?
Wait,
no I can't
It's-
do that because I'll have a mistake at the end يعني مانيش عارف كيف حركت انا الفور فضروري ندير نضرب في فوق 10 هنا الاول باش بعدين
point
ندير
above
عكس.
two, what does it mean?
What's that?
The point above 2, what does it mean?
It means recurring. Recurring means it's repeated. Repeated,
Oh.
repeated. معناها عندي 2 هنا repeated many times. Okay? يبقى أول حاجة درنا multiply 10 هنا وهنا. ليش درنا multiply 10؟ على سبب نتخلص من number 4 نبي نحرك number 4 باش نتخلص منه. After multiplying by 10 ال x times 10 حتجد شنو؟ 10x. تمام؟ وبعد نضرب هذا في 10 حيقعد 4.222 تمام؟ يبغى شنو درت انا؟ multiply by 10 حسب نخلي الفور وحدها هنا والبوينت next to the recurring number. تو نقدر نبدا الميثود بتاعي تمام؟ The method says what? It says how many numbers are repeating here? How many numbers? 1 صح؟ 1 number. بما أن 1 number is repeated معناها I put 0 under it and then 1 next to it and then multiply by it. يعني حنضرب في 10 من جديد لأني I'm repeating 1 number. If I'm repeating 2 numbers حنضرب في 100. If I'm repeating 3 numbers حنضرب في 1000. That's the method. يعني method شو نقول؟ شوف أنت كم رقم تكرر فيه. لو تكرر في رقم واحد تضرب في 10. لو تكرر في رقمين تضرب في 100. لو تكرر في 3 أرقام تضرب في 1000. So because I'm repeating 1 number, I'm going to multiply by 10. 10. Both sides. يعني الديرة هنا ضرب الديرة هنا. Now 10 times 10 equals 100x. Now, focus on this, okay? And then 4 times 4.2 times 10 هتجد 42.222. Good. This step is nice. خلاص ضربت هنا في 10 طلع لي هنا بعدين ضربت هنا في 10 طلع لي هذه تمام. Don't forget the equal sign. Now 100x equals
I take it
42. Before that في الميثود شو نقول؟ بعد تضرب انت ضروري تدير ماينس. ضروري تدير
minus x.
So minus x minus x.
Minus x minus x.
ايوه minus x.
It becomes 99x equals 42. Yeah.
99x. Yes, 99x equals.
No, Mister, it's not going to equal 42. Because you gotta do wait. You gotta do
عندي هنا 4.
42.222. Wait, minus 0.4222. So you get 41.7998.
let's do it. هي minus x هنا. Minus x. Sorry.
She means after we do the minus, it becomes 41, not 42.
الواحد يقول 41 لأن هنا عندي 4. It's not 41.
It's not 41. It's going to be
It's 38,
41.7998.
No, this is 4. You minus x. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes. صح.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah. خلاص minus x. هي هذه تقعد 99x. اكتبها هنا 99x equals كم تقعد هذه 42.2 minus this one 41.
41.7998.
باهي. I have a problem. I don't need decimals. تمام. I don't need decimals. معناها ما نديرش minus x. أنا I don't need decimals. ما نبينش decimals. أنا معناها ما نديرش minus x. شنو حندير؟ حنجي هنا نبحث 10x equals 4.222 صح؟ وأنا نبي نتخلص منه ال 0.222
minus 10.
ايوه minus 10x good. معناها حندير minus 10x هنا. اوكي. وحندير minus 10x هنا. فاهم؟ ركزوا معي. ال 10x أنا أعرفها تساوي شنو؟ هي 10x equals 4.222 صح؟ معايا؟ I think my connection is unstable. يبقى أول حاجة 100x minus 10x. That's good. Okay.
Yeah.
100x minus 10x هتقعد
90x.
90x. هنا 42.222 minus this one اللي هو 10x
38.
هتقعد
38.
38. Yes.
32.
42 minus 4 تقعد 38. Yes, 38. Now what do I do?
Take the 90 to the other side.
What I divide? هتقعد x equals what?
38 over 90.
38 over 90. Do we need the decimal number or just
you can say, no, fraction. He needs a fraction.
Okay.
You can simplify it using the calculator. If you write it, it will give you x equals. So I'm simplifying by divided by 2. I think it had 18 or had 45. So I think it 18 over 45. You can do it with the calculator. It's not a big deal. Well, that's the final answer as a fraction. تمام؟ ليش ما درناش minus x بدري كيف ما قلنا؟ لأن minus x حتعطيني decimals مش حتريحني. ف I should start from here. ديما نبدأ من الستيب هذا. تمام؟ That's the idea of this question. I'm sorry, not 18, 19. This is 19.
You could have just started by 100 right away and you would have got the same answer.
Yes,
without,
yes.
Like, the middle.
Yes, you
without
can
the
skip.
middle stuff.
You can skip. You mean skipping this?
Yeah.
تضرب 100 طول. بس
Yeah.
you will have
get
a
the same
problem
answer.
with minusing. بس إذا عندك الماينس هو اللي فيه.
No, you just minus 1x instead of minusing the 10 because you did like 10 instead of 100. So instead of multiplying again, I only need to minus it once.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it. So that's the idea of converting decimals or recurring decimals into fractions. Okay, and if you want to make sure you divide this using the calculator, it will give you 0.4222. No? 19 divide 45 equals the recurring decimal. If it doesn't give you the same answer, it means you have a mistake. You have to follow your steps and check where's the mistake. Now let's move on to the next question. How about this one? 29. Let's do 20. The vehicle travels 17 kilometers in 20 minutes. Calculate the average speed in kilometers per hour.
The rule for that speed is average speed equals distance over time. Yeah.
Good. And speed equals distance over time. Good.
Which is 17 kilometers over 20 minutes.
Over time. Good. That's the first step. I think the rule.
So it becomes 17 kilometers.
It has to be in hours.
I have to follow the rule. I have to follow it. يعني بما أنه هو يبيع per hour معناه نحول هذه إلى hour. كيف نحول 20 minutes إلى hour؟
Wait.
How can I
multiplied.
dividing? I'm sorry, turning minutes into hours. Smaller into
Do you
bigger.
divide?
Divide. Good. I'm going to divide
Divide by
20 by what? By 60. Good.
60?
Yes. I think it come.
0.3.
0.333.
Good. 0.333. That's like it here. Well, 1 over 3.
So 17 over 0.3.
Let's do it 1 over 3. Right? Let's work with a fraction so we don't lose numbers. If you work with a fraction, you don't lose 1 over 3. Right? خلاص معناها 1/3 of an hour. باهي شنو السبيد؟ speed distance over time. أنا الديستنس كم عندي؟
17 kilometers
17 معناها حنقول له 17
over.
divide 1 over 3 صح؟
Is it okay if I said 0.3 or do I have to write it like
you
this?
lose numbers حيريحها منك numbers لما تكون 0.3 لأن هي 0.3333 حيريحها منك numbers حيغير لك الإجابة.
Similar to 1 over 3.
Yes, use it like this, it's better. But what do? I can use a calculator here. والله نحول الديفايدنج نقلبها multiplying فتقعد multiply 3 over 1 اللي هي كانت تذكروا reciprocals. We talked about this before. معناها
Will be
حنحول
3.
حتقعد 17 times 3.
You get 51.
ايوه يبقى dividing هذا نحوله إلى multiplying حتقعد 17 times وال1 over 3 لما نقلبها تقعد 3 over 1 اللي هي 3. خلاص 17 times 3 هتقعد 51 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, and insert it all in the calculator to give you this answer.
You can use this صح؟ هذه كلها في الكالكوليتر تطلع.
Yeah.
You get the same thing.
Same idea, yeah. Same idea.
Insert 17 over 1 over 3. It will give you the answer.
It will give you the answer. You don't have to do this step. اللي هي reciprocals. You don't have to do it. Yes. لكن شنو؟ It's better to use the calculator to check your answer. تمام؟ That's the idea. يبقى أول حاجة نركزوا عليها أن نحول minutes إلى hours by dividing by 60. Use the fraction, divide distance over time to get the speed, and then write it with the unit. تمام؟ That's it for this question. Let's move on to the next one. 30 is done. And as you can see, the unit is already there. It's not needed.
Yeah. Why do they write it for us immediately?
What's that?
Why do they write it for us immediately?
They give you the units because it's only 2 marks. Bam. If you see the mark scheme, you understand what marks are they for. أول حاجة أول mark يقول لك شنو؟ إنه هو مثلا for speed in kilometers per minutes. يعني لو أنت اشتغلتها بالminutes بس.
The mark as a guide to how many steps we should do, right?
Yes, you can follow that. يعني أنت مثلا هنا حولتها اشتغلتها بالminutes بدون ما تحولها إلى hours يعطيك درجة واحدة من أصل 2. فاهم كيفه؟ that's the idea. You have to follow the marks حسب أنت تعرف شنو الأخطاء اللي ممكن تقع فيهم في الامتحان.
Okay.
تمام. That's 30. Bam. 31. 31. Work out this. طبعا give your answer in standard form. كما قلنا هذه calculator based.
First, plus you must make all the powers the same first.
Yeah,
this for example, 10 over 7 and 10 over 7. Well, must either would make either one of them 10 power of 7 or 10 power of 6.
You can use that. You can use that. But for me, I would prefer to use
each bracket alone.
Each bracket alone in the calculator. Write the numbers. Put them in standard. And I prefer this لأنك أنت مش متلخبطش في تحويل الباورز زي بعضها.
Calculator, it will give you the answer and then I write it in standard form.
Don't skip a step. Do step هذه الأولى. ما تحطهاش كلها في calculator لأن they will tell you
you should make the power the same. Yeah.
Yes, you can do that. No problem. You can do the power thing, or you can write this in the calculator. It will give you a number, 9.75. Let me do it here. 9.75 times 10 power of 7.
No, I don't think I need to do it. It's complicated.
No, it's not. It's better than turning the powers together. هذه أفضل ها 975 with 5 zeros. هذه step, one of the steps of the answer. Make it standard يعني. Make it ordinary بعدين ردها standard. هنا plus sign. هنا 4.6. If you know how to do the power thing, do it. It's okay.
Okay.
Just don't make sure that you got the right answer. بس هنا عندي 5 zeros after 46. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 تمام.
Okay.
خلاص after writing these numbers I'm gonna add them together. 46 with 5 zeros.
And then we make
Make
and then
it
after the
standard.
add we count from the right to the left before the last number and the left.
ايوه. And then you'll have an answer of addition هتيجي تكي اللي هي 1 0 2 1 with 5 zeros 1 2 3 1 2. هذا ordinary. You make it standard. How do you make it standard?
1.02100.
ايوه. So the decimal point you move
And
it
then
1 2
10,
3 4 5
5,
6
6,
7
7,
8.
so it becomes 1.0 كذا كذا multiplied by 10 power of 8.
ايوه.
So 1.021 times 10 power 8.
That's what I said.
31. Yes, good. That's it. Yes. 1.021 times 10 power. Easy. If you want to follow the rule of making the powers the same, you can do that. At the end, make sure that it's in standard. تمام. That's the idea of this question. Huh?
Okay.
Let me talk to you about this question. In the IGs, لو حطيت هذه كلها في calculator وطلعت الانسر without showing these, it's okay.
You said it's not allowed. I thought you said it's not allowed.
Both values out to standard form. لا مش it's not allowed. Some people will have mistake here صح؟ لو أنت you have a mistake here. If this is 7. لو أنت كتبت هنا 7. فاهم؟ By mistake.
Okay.
وما درتش step. معناها you lost the 2 points. لكن لو أنت درت الستيب هذه حولت ordinary هنا 2. تمام؟ وغلطت في ال 7 هنا حيعطوك 1 mark لأنك أنت حولت ordinary. فاهم كيف؟
Okay.
So steps will help you if you have a mistake. لكن بالنسبة للquestion هذا مش طالبين فيه steps. ف it's not a big deal. تمام؟
Okay. Okay.
Correct answer not in standard. مرات أنت تعطي الانسر not in standard. يعني مرات أنت الديسيمال بوينت قاعدة هنا. يعطوك 1 point out of 2. Because you have the right answer but not in standard. تمام؟ Let's move on to the next one. B. A crate contains 1.4 times 10 power 6 drawing pens. 2.76 times 10 power 5 of the drawing pens are removed from the crate. The rest of the drawing pens are then put into smaller boxes. Each box contains 100 drawing pens. How many boxes are filled? تمام. هنا عندي كل واحد crate فيه 1.4 drawing pens. نقصوا منهن هذين كلمة remove معناها نقصون. This is remove معناها subtraction. Let's see what happens. عندي subtraction معناها هذا minus هذا. اوكي. The rest of the drawing بعدين اللي قعدت عندي اللي فضل قسموه على smaller boxes. يعني انا ننقص بعدين نقسم على smaller boxes ونشوف كم عندي بوكس تعمل. تمام. تعال نديرها واحده واحده. اول حاجه ننقصه معناها نكتب الكويستشن هنا هي 1.4 times 10 power of 6. ضروري نفهم السؤال مش نعرف نجاوب. يبقى هذا minus هذا. تمام.
Okay.
6 times 10 power of 5. حلو. أول حاجة أول step هذا minus هذا. Same idea. I'm gonna do this with the calculator. تمام. هنكتب هذا ordinary. I can put them in bracket like this. Maybe it's better for the eye. No, this one should be out.
It should be inside.
Now, I'll put this in the calculator. 1.4 times 10 power of 6. I get 25 zeros with 4. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. تمام. بعدين minus. Same idea. 2.76 times 10 with the power of 5. هي 3 zeros with 2, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3. تمام. خلاص يطلع عندي answer. الانسر اللي هي let's do this 1 4 with 5 zeros 1 2 3 1 2 minus 2 7 6 with 3 zeros. هيجي عندي 1 1 2 4 1 1 2 4 with 3 zeros 1 2 تمام. هذه الانسر عندي تمام. خلاص قاعد عندي الانسر هذا نقصت اول ستيب درتها 100 نقصتها ريموف معناها نقصت. عندي الانسر هذا الانسر هذه كانها نبي نقسمها على 100 boxes. I'm sorry نقسمها على boxes كل box فيه 100 round pens معناها نبي نقسم هذه على 100 معناها divide 100 صح؟ divide اوكي 100 ركزوا على الستبس نقرا الكويستشن كويس مش نعرف نفهم. When I divide it on 100 حيطلع عندي number equals خلاص
11,240.
100 يعني حيروح زيرو يعني 11,240 يعني 11,240 boxes. Easy?
Yeah.
Boxes. فاهم؟ That's the idea. يبقى أول حاجة أنا درت شنو؟ درت subtraction يعني قال لي removed عندي هذينا removed هذينا معناها subtraction and then I found them and then I divide them on boxes كل box فيه 100 معناها divide by 100 هيطلع عندي عدد boxes اللي أنا استخدمت. Easy?
Okay.
Good. This answer الأخيرة هذه if you put it like this no problem if you do it in standard no problem if they didn't ask for it معناها it's okay. No? Question 32. Let's do this. 32.
What are these blank pages here?
Blank, you can use them. Some questions are long.
Yeah,
they need
seem
papers.
kind of pointless.
Yeah, some questions are long, some questions are not. But أنا عندي shape. A 14 meters rope is fastened to the top of a
What
vertical
think
11 meters.
question your 8 in the workbook like this?
Yeah, this one is blah 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 blah. I think it's a near 8 question. Yeah, let's see. A 14 meters rope is fastened to the top of a vertical 11 meter flagpole. هذا flagpole اللي هو 11 هنكون هنا. صح. والروب هو كم؟ 14. ها؟ The other end of the rope is fastened to the horizontal ground اللي هو هذه. Right. How far away from the bottom of the flagpole is the rope fastened to the horizontal ground? يعني يبي اللاين هذا هو. Horizontal line اللي هو قاعد give you answer to 3 significant figures. What do I use here?
Mister, do we use like the SOHCAHTOA thingy?
Do we have an angle?
Wait.
What do we have, Aslam? And what do they want?
Wait, so they need an angle, right?
No, they need how far away. Yani length of the line.
Wait, so we don't use the SOHCAHTOA, so we use the Pythagoras?
Good, we use Pythagoras. Good. لأن عندي 3 lines, one of them is missing, معناها Pythagoras. Okay? خلاص, Pythagoras theorem says what? C squared equals A squared plus B squared.
B squared.
Easy? Do we remember this?
Yes.
Yeah.
خلاص,
It's the rule we use for finding the length.
أيوة. So A squared plus B squared. خلاص. What do we have here? Which one is the C squared?
So
Which one is the C?
The 11 meter. 11 meter.
No, the 14.
What's the C
14.
قلنا نحن اللي هي الهايب صح؟
It's facing the right angle.
Good. It's facing the right angle. Good. This is the right angle. This one is
And,
facing it. معناها 14. معناها this is the height for the C. تمام بقى. خلاص هذا C.
The 11 meter.
11 is for B.
We can even use it as A.
Or A. Yes. So we can mix these.
Yeah,
خلاص.
it's you can use this side. You can use it either A or B, right?
both of them. Yes. خلاص أنا حندير 14 معناها 14 squared.
14 square. Yeah.
14 squared. Okay.
And then equals 11 square.
Okay. 11 squared.
B
Plus
square.
B squared اللي هي ما نعرفهاش. Okay. نقدر نديرها X or B squared. Plus B.
Keep it same. Keep it same.
Let's go B squared. What's next?
We take wait before we need to get rid of the square.
First نخلوا البي سكويرد وحدها، ناخذ ال 11
Yeah,
squared to the other
well-
side. هننشر على other side.
It becomes b square equals 14
ايوه let's do it like
square
this. eh?
minus 11 square
B squared
equals 14 square minus 11 square.
good equals 14 squared
14 square minus 11
minus
square.
11 squared. Good. Let's do a squared here. Back. When I do 14 squared minus 11 squared في الكالكوليتر بيطلع لي شنو؟
75.
75. B squared هنا.
Oh yeah, 75. Me too.
75 هون.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
Back. Let's do this. يبقى B squared
And then the second thing we want to do is we want to get rid of the square of
So we
of-
do the square root.
ايوه square root.
we do the square root.
كم يطلع؟ معناه 75 نحطه تحت السكوير
becomes
روت.
8.66.
Rounded to 3 significant figures.
Then we round it to 3 significant figure.
Good. We round it to 3 significant figures. يبقى 75 نحطه تحت سكوير روت باش نتخلص من السكوير.
8.66 it comes out.
Good. هذا عادي مع هذا. So B equals what? ها.
8.66.
Good
And
job. Yes.
then we round
8 point.
the figure.
This is already rounded to 3 significant
It's rounded,
figures.
صح?
8.
It's so it's 8.66. 75
Yeah,
square
but-
root.
After you round it to 3 significant figures.
What? So 8.660 معناه 8.66. 8.66 meters. تمام؟ That's the idea of this question. يبقى ليش استخدمنا بايثاغورس؟ لأني عندي 3 lines one of them is missing. ركزوا على النقطة هذه. لو كان ما عنديش ولا angle عندي lines only معناها بايثاغورس. If we're talking about angles معناها نرد السوكا توا. تمام؟ That's it for this question. Let's move on to the next one. I don't know if we have time for 33. Let's see. Oh, another
that's the last
flagpole.
question.
Oh, that's another question here. No, still. Same idea,
let's
like in
skip
another question. Hannah, we have an angle. See? So they gave us both of
So
them.
now we use the SOHCAHTOA.
Now we use SOHCAHTOA. Wow. We have 6 minutes. I don't think we can
Oh,
fit
we
this.
use the SOHCAHTOA in unit 9, right?
Unit 9. خلاص معناها we're going to stop the video and then come back, make another video for these 2 questions. Okay? Right, I'll see
Okay.
you then. 3 minutes and then come back.
As always, message.
As always. Yes. I'll send you a message, okay?
Uh-huh.